Yeah, out here today, we got Jacob Langley with me, my surf student for the summer, and we're continuing work on a project related to removal of Ashland Mill Dam, which is on the South Anna River. It blocks 7 species of anadromous fish, so fish that grow up in the ocean and then come back and spawn in fresh water. And it's been blocking those fish for at least 100 years. We've been trying to get the dam out for more than 20 years to aid all of these fish. Shad, herring, eels, lamprey, all of these fish are on the decline. And there's 400 square miles of habitat upstream. So there's a big chunk of unused habitat in central Virginia that would be opened up if we can get this dam out.
2 weeks ago, the dam sprung a leak through its stop logs, which are these wooden parts of this concrete dam. They have like an opening slot that you put wood logs into. So the entire poundment drained, I believe, in like 2 days. It was a very short time that the water levels just completely dropped. We have been taking some cross sections using differential leveling, and for that you're basically just taking a cross section of the river and getting the elevations for the benthic bottom.
You've got to plan what your objectives are. What are we trying to get? Then you got to plan your methods. How are we going to do it? How are the data that we are planning to collect meet the objectives? It's just a constant barrage of problem solving, which is critical thinking. And just that experience is really good for an undergrad, because undergrads are used to reading textbooks. And what you don't get out of a textbook, you get the final answers. You don't get the process that it took to get the final answer. Even 5.7?
I think he's just a really inspiring person, in my opinion. I never really planned to go into environmental science or biology until I met him. He just has that aura about him that kind of inspires you to kind of do research or in any way that you can get involved with the environment. And I think that he does a great job of just working with students. He really does work hard to see you improve and see you, become the best person that you can be.
We get into this because we love the research and we love teaching. And when you can combine the two, you get those rewards of both. So you get students who really need a lot of skill development, and so you get gratification as you see their skills develop. And then you get real data that's publishable and is useful and makes the environment better and all of those things. And those are the 2 main benefits of my job, is seeing students grow and getting problem solved. And research combines, with students, combines both of them.